In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own glossary while translating with DeepL. By the end, you'll know how to set up a custom term list so your translations stay consistent with your preferred wording. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type DeepL. In the results, click the official DeepL Translator website. This will take you to the translator page where you'll see two main panels, the source text on the left and the translated text on the right. Paste your text into the left panel. DeepL can detect the language automatically, but you can also pick the source and target languages manually if you already know them. This gives you a baseline translation before applying your glossary. Now look to the right side panel and find the Glossary section. Click it to open the glossary controls. This is where you can ensure specific words or phrases are translated exactly how you want them. Choose the option to create a new glossary, then click Continue. You're setting up a dedicated list of terms for a particular translation direction, which is helpful if you have brand terms, technical jargon, or preferred phrasing that must be used every time. Give your glossary a clear, descriptive name. Something like technical terms works well so you can recognize it later. Next, select the language pair that matches your translation, for example, English to German or English to Japanese. Glossaries are language pair specific, so be sure to choose the exact direction you're working with. Click Create Glossary to finalize the setup. You'll now see fields to add terms manually. Enter your source term, which is the word or phrase in the original language, and then the target term, your preferred translation. For example, you might set dashboard as the source term and panel de control as the target. Add as many pairs as you need. Tips for better results. Use the standard singular form, match capitalization as you expect it to appear, and keep spelling consistent so DeepL recognizes the terms reliably. Once your entries are in, switch on the toggle to activate the glossary. When this is on, DeepL will immediately apply your preferred terms to the translation on the right. If something doesn't change as expected, double-check the spelling and spacing of the source term and make sure the language pair matches your current translation. That's it. With your glossary created and toggled on, you'll get consistent, on-brand translations every time you paste text into DeepL.